Hello, and in today's 5-Minute Friday, I'm going to cover a subject that's related to DroneLink but not specific to DroneLink. Many of you may be aware that DroneLink has the ability to automatically upload data to Airdata, which is a great way to capture your flight logs and help you manage your drones and look for problems. But it's also a great way to go and find footage that you've collected previously. I'm about to do this now because I had a client who came to me asking for some footage of a bridge that I know I've filmed before, so I might be able to provide that footage for them without actually going and reflying. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into Airdata and I'm going to go into this My Flights area, and here you'll get sort of a general overview. But if you click on My Logs at the top, you'll get a list of logs. And by default, it usually shows you this summary. But if you look here, if you look in this display map button and click that, it'll show you a map of places that you've collected logs. And I happen to know that my logs are going to be somewhere in this region. I know exactly where this person wants from, and it's going to be in this area up here, Fort Montgomery. And this is the bridge that they're interested in. So this is quite handy because what you can do now is you can literally just click on this, drill in to here, and what you'll see is that when you click on a small enough list, it gives you a list of flights and the dates that you made those flights. So now it's as simple as this. Since I never throw anything away, all I have to do now is go look in my footage archive for any footage shot on these dates. And specifically, he's looking for something that was in the fall footage, so I may or may not have fall, but what I will be able to do is look through some of these, pull out flights. We've got some there, October, so probably a reasonably good option that on October 2017 that might be good for this person. So I'm going to go find that now, but I thought while I was doing that, I'd take a quick moment to show you how easy it is to go and find previous footage just by date. This could save you hours of wading through old files. Hope you found that useful. If you did, like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks very much.